Strip the wire and loop the bare end through the middle tab marked NO, which is the normally open tab. Because the solder flows to where the heat is concentrated most, place the soldering iron where the bare wire and terminal touch, and after a few seconds, touch the solder to that joint. Remove the solder, but keep the soldering iron touching for a few seconds to make sure the solder flows to the joint and creates a secure connection. As soon as the solder flows to the joint and becomes shiny, remove the soldering iron so you don't damage the limit switch with excess heat. Repeat this with the tab marked C, which is the common tab and located closest to the pivot end of the lever.